Hi, I'm Julie Andrews, an independent Avon representative. I am a bit out of my comfort zone with this, but I'm going to give it a go. What I would like to do is talk you through some of the new products that Avon has in their latest brochure, Campaign 9. I don't wear a lot of makeup. As you can see, this is kind of it. Bit of lipstick, bit of foundation, not too much. What I want to do is demo the new Euphoric mascara, which is absolutely brilliant. I will show you a close-up of me without mascara, and you can see that I don't have very dark lashes. And I'm going to put the Euphoric on and see if you can see the difference and the quality that this gives. Okay, wait for it. So as you can see, I've now put Euphoric Blackest Black on this eye, and I'm really impressed with how easily it goes on and how it makes me look like I've got eyelashes. So what I'll attempt to do, which is difficult when you can't see very well without glasses on, but what I am going to try and do is a bit of a live with me applying to the other eye. But as you can see, the brush is shaped, it's kind of hourglass, and it is a really nice texture. So and this was just one coat, it doesn't need more than that. It is a good enough texture and quality that is all you would need. And it gets the lashes inside. As well. So there we have the new Euphoric Avon True range in Blackest Black. I'd like to take you to one of my favourite products, and one that I've personally sold so many of. It's on page 56 and 57 of the latest instant brochure, and it's the Woodwave Aroma Diffuser. It's a USB powered fragrance diffuser, and it's absolutely brilliant. One of my customers bought it and did a review for me, and this is what she said. My 1-year-old was struggling to sleep with a dry cough and stuffy nose for weeks. I used this product and the results were amazing and instant. A full night's peaceful sleep after one use. I would highly recommend. Thank you so much for recommending it to me. I haven't slept for weeks now, and it was like heaven. And I'm sure that wasn't a one-off, because her cough is even better today. So that's what Tanya said, and to this day she's still raving about it. And I personally have one in my bedroom and my son's bedroom, and we go through phases where we use it every night when one of us has the sniffles, but it's highly recommended. That is on page 57 of the current instant brochure. On page 36 and 37 we have the Ultimate Pamper Pack. This is such good value. All of the 8 products shown are for £10 and it's just incredible. A lot of very popular products in there so that you can have some much needed you time. The Avon website tells you now more than ever it's important to enjoy a moment of calm and relaxation, and what better way to do than with our Ultimate Pamper Pack, including 8 of the most comforting essentials, from bubble baths to pillow sprays. You've got hand wash, you've got shower cream, you've got lavender and chamomile spritz, you've got lavender hand cream and bubble bath, lavender and chamomile pillow spray, argan oil hair mask and lavender clay mask. You can really have a serious pamper with all of that, and all for £10. If you could hit the thumbs up, press the subscribe button and then press the bell, you'll be notified of all my next videos as I release them. To watch my next Avon video, click one of the boxes now. Thank you.